Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I want to show you how to make $2 to $3 daily completing task. And just to remind you that the giveaway is in the end of this video. It's not money, but it's a course that can help your life. So you might want to watch this video to the end, step by step, on how you can get started. So there are two simple websites I'm going to talk about. So the number one here is called the micro worker. Yeah, as you can see, here is my balance. Just to tell you that I do what I preach. So the number two is the Picoworkers. So how do we register? The link is inside the description below. So you might want to click on the link and then get started. So how do you register? After you click on the link in the description below, so I think we should first start with the Picoworkers firstly. So I've already registered. As you can see, I've already do some job. So it's not that I don't do what I preach. So first thing you want to do after you go to this website, using the link in the description below, and you might want to sign up. So when you are signed up, just fill your desire something here and click on I am a worker. Unless you want to employ, which I'm going to talk about later in the next video that is coming up. Okay, just register. After you register, the next thing you need to do is to confirm your email. So after you confirm your email, the next thing you want to do is to go here and click on Picoworkers, and this dashboard will display. If it doesn't display as this, just switch to workers here. So let me just switch this thing right here. So this thing has been shown to employer, so I've just posted job, and that's all. So since I'm working as a worker, then I will change it to worker, and some work will display. So all I need to do now is just to complete this Reddit offer, then we continue. So I'm going to click on it. So it said upvote this post, check for this refresh page. So please follow instructions carefully. Your account must be 7 days old, not shadow ban. That means you must open an account 7 days. Like have a Reddit account of 7 days old. Refresh delete. I will rate satisfied or paid if your account is shadow ban or less than 7 days. So I'm going to click on copy this link. You can either do this on your phone on your PC. So here is my account, like a year old. So I'm just going to click on this here and then reload it. Boom, it's already there. So what to do now? It asks me for my profile name, profile link. So I'm just going to click on here. Profile link. Take me to my profile bro. Okay, I just copy it like this and then paste it here. Boom. It doesn't take me less than 1 minute to complete this task. So I can just go here again, find another task like this. Ready the task. So that's all. That is easy as that. So I'm going to go back here and submit this proof. So you can work as much as possible. So I'm just going to 0.1 here before I left this thing. So go to the link, upvote. So I think already I don't have to check this anymore because I'm already eligible for it. So I'm just click on move vote here. I'm going to reload. So it's telling me to submit my approval link. Approval link. And who posted .u. Okay, it's telling me the person that posts. So I'm just going to paste it here. As you can see, please follow instruction. Boom. So it's telling me to wait for at least 1 minute before submitting this. I'm just going to go back to this thing and search for if I can see another. I'm not going to join this Twitter. So I find another job to do here. So I just get an edit output here. So click it again. Okay, I'm interested in this job. So continue. So already I think I already upvote for this. Yeah, that means it's 3 in 1. So your link, verify if I'm not shadow ban. Boom. Username, person that posts. Control V. Boom. Complete task. Go back to job. Wait for 38 minutes. So you can find the various tasks here to complete, and that's all. So this one is telling me to go Facebook ads, honest review stuff. Let me just click and see what is going on here. So it's saying take a screenshot, take another screenshot of thank you screen. So just follow everything here and then you'll be good, okay? So let me see the total task finish. As you can see here. So this is as though like 34 well done and paid and submitted. Like everything is well done and everything is submitted right here. Okay. So let me go back to here and submit the proof. So if you're watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So on my next video, I'm going to show you, as you can see, this person that are posting this thing here, they are making money. Okay, they are using this to make money. So we are the person that is working for them. So in my next video, I'm going to find a way that if this thing works, then I'm going to make a video. If it doesn't work, then maybe perhaps I'll make another video. Okay, how you can use this website, like these two websites, to earn. Like you are not going to work on this website. Okay, I'm still doing my research. So you are not going to work on this website. I'm just going to make person work on this thing, like person complete your task and you earn from it. Okay, so thank you for watching. And about the giveaway I'm going to do, go to the link in the description below there. If you are starting from Fiverr, like you don't know how to make money on Fiverr, I've already did some video on how you guys can make money on Fiverr on my YouTube channel, like maybe like 2 to 4 videos. And this is the new 36 ways to make money online. So all you need to do is just to input your first name and your email for where you are going to get that PDF. The next thing is confirm your email, and the ebook will be sent directly into your inbox. So how will this send to your inbox? What is contained inside the ebook is like 36 best way to make money on Fiverr, the way you can deliver each other, like 36 services, and how you can deliver each other with proof. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.